All right, today what we're having is just pasta, Capellini spaghetti, which is real thin. And I'm going to make it kind of a Mediterranean-esque dish. Garlic, shallot, red onion, I'm forgetting, cherry tomatoes, just kind of Mediterranean-ish. So first, let me throw in the shallot, or the shallot. And I started, by the way, with a little bit of olive oil, of course. So while that's heating up, I'll clean this onion. All right, in goes the garlic. I'm cutting these onions really thin and I'm leaving them long. All right, a little bit of salt. And I'm going to put crushed red pepper. I'm going to wait for a second. First, I'm going to steam off some vermouth. All right, so you bump the heat up, and then let this steam off for a minute. I'm going to throw in a knob of butter because there's no fat in this. All right, I lowered the heat. Some crushed red pepper. I got some shrimp that I had thawed out, so I'm going to put those in as well. All right, so I got some cherry tomatoes. I'm going to throw them in whole. Throw them all in. I got some olives. All. It looks really good so far. Need some green, and it's going to. I got some Italian flat leaf parsley, and I just picked some basil out of my flower pot out there, fresh basil. But I want to throw that on kind of towards the end so it tastes more bright, more Mediterranean-y, I guess. Then I want to put some lemon in there. If you have broadleaf basil like this, an easy way to cut it is to roll it up and then just cut it like that. And you end up like that. And I'm going to mix that with the parsley and put that on at the very end. Alright, I got a piece of French bread here. Let's see how this is going. It's good. Need a little salt. All right. Now the green at the very end. Oh, you should smell that. That just came to life. Wow. That fresh basil out of the garden. How's that? That's that. This is that Capellini. And I already cooked it, and I put olive oil in it so it wouldn't stick together. But these the spaghetti are so small, they tend to stick anyway. But it'll be fine. And here we go. And there is that. I think this is going to be a good one. I'm pretty sure. That's good. All right. Now I gotta get some plates. Buddy of mine's grating the Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna eat.